Why?
I just think offensively they're more dynamic. LSU has had kind of, they've got a good running game, but they've kind of had to invent their passing game. I just think they did Karen and some of these young receivers that are starting to come up like White, Mays, the development of Mays, Melly starting to get involved. I just think they can see more things offensively against them. The two defenses, I think you flip the coin which one's better, but I think when you stack up the offense of Alabama, it's more dynamic.
Everyone's got that one circled on the calendar. November 5th. They get LSU at home coming off of a bye week. So how does the bye week factor in? You think that's a big deal?
I do. But both teams have.
Yeah.
So I think it's good for both teams. So I think it ends up being a wash. I think after next week, they will look at how many injuries there are. And that'll tell you which team's going to get more help on the bye week.
Ricky Davis is more on the bye week. Alabama tackle. 7-0 at one point.